Welcome to the Tbest. The best reel repair parts is probably one of the most crucial aspects of keeping your fishing gear in top condition. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, understanding the components of your reel and knowing how to repair them can save you time and money. In this video, we'll dive into the world of fishing reel repair parts, exploring the essential components and how to choose the right ones. Number 5. Tbest Metal Rocker Arm Reel Replacement Handle. This reel handle is made from high-grade metal, making it robust and durable. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to use. The handle knob is made from comfortable and slip-resistant EVA. This ensures a firm grip while you are using it, providing a superior user experience. Featuring a metal hex trunk, this handle knob adds strength. It is unbreakable, ensuring a sturdy fit onto your reel. Available in 2 models, it can cater to various reels. This allows it to fulfill your different requirements. This handle knob is an excellent choice when you are looking at repairing or replacing your reel parts. What we like. This reel handle is made with high-grade metal, ensuring durability and a sturdy feel. The EVA handle knob provides a comfortable, slip-resistant grip. If you are looking for a reliable replacement that fits various reel models, this is the one for you. What people say. The fit for my reel was absolutely perfect. Worked perfect for my Daiwa 1000 series. This handle was a perfect fit replacement for the reel that came with that rod and is nice and sturdy. Number 4. Fishing Reel Power Handle Grip Crank Arm. This power handle grip is made with a metal shaft and a folding handle. It's designed to be both sturdy and lightweight, ensuring a comfortable fishing experience. Featuring an anti-slip nylon grip, this handle provides a secure and comfortable hold. You'll find it easy to use, even with wet hands. The rotary hard plastic knob is a key feature. Its foldable design and hexagonal rod make it a practical and efficient addition to your reel. Pressing the shutter button allows it to fold at a 75-degree angle. It then returns automatically, making it incredibly convenient for use. This is an ideal replacement for your fishing spinning reel. It's easy to install and suitable for most small and medium series spinning reels. This handle is a great upgrade for your fishing gear. It's designed to fit a wide range of spinning reels, enhancing your overall fishing experience. What we like. This handle features a unique foldable design, making it convenient for storage and transport. The anti-slip grip ensures a secure hold even in wet conditions. If you value portability and ease of use, this handle is a great choice. What people say. Works great. Fit perfect as well as replacements for other poles. Very great material, very comfortable, true to size. Installed on old reels that were missing handles, fit several different brands. Like the folding option. Easy to install and works well so far. Number 3. Quantum Accurist Power Handle Baitcasting EVA Knob. Looking to enhance your fishing experience? This power handle is designed to replace your existing one. It offers improved grip and control, making it easier to reel in your catch. The EVA knob provides a comfortable and secure grip, even when wet. It reduces fatigue during long fishing sessions, allowing you to focus on the thrill of the catch. This is a great upgrade. Perfect for micro-jigging techniques, this handle gives you the sensitivity you need. It allows you to feel even the slightest bites, increasing your chances of success. It is a must-have for serious anglers. Built with high-quality materials, this handle is made to last. It can withstand the rigors of fishing, ensuring reliable performance trip after trip. You can count on it. This handle comes with all the necessary fittings for easy installation. You can quickly replace your old handle and get back to fishing. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. What we like. This handle features a comfortable EVA knob for a secure grip. It's designed specifically for low-profile reels, enhancing your fishing experience. If you enjoy micro-jigging and need a handle that fits your reel perfectly, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Works as it should, and although this one said it works on the Quantum Accurist, it also worked on the earlier Energy model I have, except the cap screws were the wrong size, so I just used the old one. OMG. This is the coolest power handle for small reels, Daiwa Lexus 100 or the new Ocumer CV 163s. The knob is not too small and not too big, which is a plus. It's not too overbearing for the smaller reels. It also fits the medium to larger reels as well. You will be surprised by the quality of this handle. Everything is clean and it feels really nice in the hand, like a more expensive product. The extras will make this fit any reel. Number 2. Bnineteenteam Fishing Reel Replacement Handle. This reel handle is made of high-quality metal, ensuring durability and a lightweight feel. It's designed to withstand the rigors of fishing, making it a reliable choice for any angler. The metal hex trunk provides a strong and unbreakable connection to your reel. This feature ensures a firm and secure fit, allowing for optimal performance during your fishing trips. The handle knob is crafted from EVA material, offering a comfortable and anti-slip grip. This design enhances your control and provides a secure hold, even in wet conditions. It comes in medium and large sizes to fit various reel series. Whether you have a 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, or 6000 series reel, it has a compatible option. We stand behind the quality of this product. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us, and we will provide a solution promptly. What we like. This reel handle is made from premium metal, ensuring it's both sturdy and lightweight. The hex trunk provides a firm fixation onto your reel, and the EVA knob is anti-slip. If you want a handle that combines durability with a comfortable grip, consider this one. What people say. It fit perfectly for Shakespeare. The replacement handle worked perfectly. Works great on my reel. Number 1. HEYOUS Stainless Steel Fishing Reel Handle. Introducing the HEYOUS Fishing Reel Handle. It's made of all-metal material with a comfortable wooden handle. This replacement part is built to last. This handle has undergone polishing and oxidation treatment. This makes it highly durable and resistant to corrosion, ensuring it can withstand the elements. The HEYOUS Fishing Reel Handle is designed for easy installation. It's user-friendly and ready to enhance your fishing experience. This handle is suitable for 200 to 500 and 1000 to 2000 type reels. It's compatible with approximately 90% of the fishing reels available. Upgrade your fishing reel with this reliable replacement handle. It's a great addition to your fishing accessories, improving both performance and comfort. What we like. This reel handle is crafted from all-metal materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. It's been polished and treated for corrosion resistance, making it ideal for various fishing environments. If you need a handle that fits a wide range of reels and withstands the elements, this is a great option. What people say. It fits my loose catfish spinning reel perfectly and looks much better than the stock handle. Well made, no problems. Popped right into my reel, no problem. Looks attractive, and hey, I even caught a few fish the first time out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.